Good afternoon, everybody. This afternoon we are having a look at the water cycle. Now, this is not just a geography topic, it's also a bit of a science topic as well. The water cycle is the cycle by which water is continuously rained down and then renewed by the environment. So, the water starts in the sea. You can't quite see where it says sea due to my picture in the corner, but you get the idea. There's the sea, and the sun shines down upon the sea. The sun shining down upon the sea makes the water in the sea warmer and makes some of it, not all of it, but some of it, evaporate into the air. Now there's the water evaporating off the sea, and when it rises up into the air, it eventually condenses and becomes a cloud. That cloud is blown by the wind, and eventually as that cloud picks up more and more condensation, it becomes a lot denser, and the small droplets of water bounce together to become thicker rain clouds. When the droplets of water become so dense that they can't stay up in the air anymore, they bounce together and make bigger droplets, which then fall back to the earth as rain, or the more technical term for it is precipitation, as it falls down. When it hits the ground, then it begins a process called collection, where it collects in rivers and streams, or in some cases flows underground as well. And as it flows underground, eventually from rivers and streams, the ground and underground, it all eventually flows back to the sea, where it evaporates again and condensation occurs, and then they become thicker clouds, and then it rains back down again. So it's a cycle that keeps on going, renewing and cleaning water. Here's what I want you to do today. I want you to draw your own water cycle, and these are some good examples that I'm showing you now that we've had from previous years. I want something that's really quite nicely well coloured and really well presented. Make sure that you use clear arrows and show me all the different technical words that we've had. Condensation, precipitation, evaporation must be on there somewhere. We've also got another one on this one in particular that says transpiration. Transpiration is evaporation off plants. So if you can put that one on there as well, that would be really, really good. Here's another good example. I'd like it to have some arrows in it to show me direction. That's why this is probably one of the better ones. It's got arrows all the way around the outside showing me which direction the water cycle goes in. Make sure again that you have those different words. So here they are again. Starts in the sea. I want to see evaporation and some arrows. I want to see condensation. I want to see wind blowing, rain clouds forming, precipitation, collection, and those different ways that it's collected, and finally I'd like to see as well transpiration. So that's evaporation coming off plants. So you can draw some arrows coming off the plants as well. I'd like to see arrows all around the poster showing me the direction that the water cycle goes in. Okay, good luck.